untie it?
No, because I can't.
How about if I help you?
No, I can do it.
Okay.
What to do?
Oh my goodness.
Okay.
Okay. Woo! Okay, open the... Come here. Come over here. Open up the flaps. Let's see.
Happy birthday! Find this? Oh man, was that a silly present?
Bridget, what did you get for your birthday? Who is it?
Give me this.
Daddy comes back. He always comes back.